Hello, and welcome to today's episode of Learning. My name is Vincent. Today, we're going to learn about Citavi. So the question is, what is Citavi? So Citavi is a program for reference management and knowledge organization for Microsoft Windows. It was developed by Swiss Academic Software in Switzerland. Yes, you heard me right. Citavi was primarily developed for the Windows operating system. So this means that Citavi can only be powered by Windows and not Mac or Linux. So before one can be able to use and run a Citavi on Mac or Linux, then they need to create a virtual environment where they would first install Windows and then install Citavi on it. However, in my subsequent video, I would give you a hint on an alternative software to use to be able to perform most of the basic functions that Citavi performs and explain them to you a little bit. Maybe in the case that you wouldn't want to install a virtual environment on your Mac system, you can also use an alternative software that I will be able to prescribe to you. However, I would also try to make a video, maybe point you to a visualization video whereby you'll be able to learn how to install a Windows on your Mac operating system or maybe a Mac on your Windows, and then be able to successfully run a Citavi, so which is also important. So I'll give you the two options, then you can be able to choose the one that best fits you. So back to Citavi. So the question, what is Citavi, has been answered, but I also want to let you know that Citavi has since grown from the first version to almost version 5 that stayed a long time before they released current Citavi 6. It has grown from being a reference management to even a more robust task management that helps you organize tasks in a very more practical way and makes it easier for you to deliver before the deadline. So in a series of lessons, I'll be able to practically teach you how to use Citavi for your researches. So we're going to use Citavi together. We're going to install Citavi together. We're going to undergo a mock research. What I call a mock research, we're going to undergo like a practical research. Maybe we'll choose a topic and work on it together for you to be able to understand Citavi hands-on. So this course is meant to be practical, educative, and informative. So always feel free to maybe pause or replay any section that you don't properly understand, or maybe I was too fast, so you can be able to understand it properly. So as always, if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach you. Let's go.